Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make hard edits. First, pinpoint the central idea you wish to communicate. Then, ruthlessly eliminate any words or sentences that do not directly support this main point. This process ensures your message is sharp and impactful, cutting through any fluff. Aim for a direct and powerful delivery, making every word count towards your objective. To begin strategic content reduction, create a clear outline of your material. This visual guide helps you identify redundant or off-topic sections. Don't hesitate to remove entire paragraphs or even pages if they don't directly contribute to your core message. The goal is to distill your content to its most potent form, ensuring maximum impact with minimal words. For precision editing, always read your text aloud. This helps you identify clunky sentences and repetitive phrases. Actively seek out and replace passive voice constructions with strong, active verbs to inject energy into your writing. If a sentence exceeds 25 words, consider splitting it into 2 or more shorter, clearer statements. This approach enhances readability significantly. After making your hard edits, perform a final review to ensure consistency in tone and style across your entire piece. Verify that every single sentence contributes meaningfully to your overarching message, eliminating any lingering filler. Remember, the goal is maximum impact with minimal words. Also, for a great way to bring your space to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.